Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin here at the COBRA headquarters looking at their new F9 Speedback Fairway medals. Why are we focusing on the medals themselves? Because there's a story there, and to tell us about it is the Vice President of Marketing for COBRA. That's Jose Miraflor. Jose, thanks for joining us again.
Hey, Ralph. It's great to have you here today.
Let's get into these fairway medals because they've got something that no fairway medals ever had before.
What we did last year that was super fast and super accurate was created the first ever CNC milled face on a driver. Well, it makes all the sense in the world to bring this innovative technology for both speed and precision to the fairway, and that's exactly the first thing we did this year. So for the first time ever, your steel fairway woods will have a CNC milled face that allows you to have more speed off the face because it allows us to make it thinner and get it to the COR limits and CT limits. So now you have fairways that have faster ball speeds. And then we control the curvature. We're able to create dual roll, which we've been doing in the driver since, 2012, and then be able to tune the face perfectly for a bulge and roll for your given speed. So that's what these drivers are had. The look of the fairway resembles a driver. The standard fairway has the face that matches the driver perfectly. And then the tour fairway, for you guys who are really stronger players, we make a tour fairway as well, more compact in shape. It too has a CNC milling. It actually has grooves on the face that are milled in as well, besides the milling. And so because of that, it looks a little different than the standard one, but you can tell them apart easily, but you can tell both of them are CNC milled.
Well, the other technology that they have that you're not going to find on any other fairway medals is, of course, the rails on the bottom. One
of the things we've done this year is to continue with our rails, continue with the variable rails technology, right? Progressive rails where they're a little bit shallower on your 3-wood, get a little bit steeper on your 5s and 7s because your attack angles get a little bit steeper. But we've also added to it the Speedback shaping. In the driver, Speedback's all about aerodynamics. In the fairway wood, Speedback shaping has to do with adding almost like a third rail in between the rails. And what that does is it actually allows you to lower the weight system that's in the rails. So helping us create lower CG gives you more speed, helps you get the ball up in the air a little easier. The standard fairway features this really great weight, this red, it's 15 grams, and it allows us to make it closer to the height of the rails, bringing CG down. On the tour fairway, we take that weight and we move it all the way to the front. It moves the position forward, the CG forward, so it makes the fairway more workable. It brings the trajectory down and makes the ball flight more penetrating versus more forgiving that's in the standard fairway. Both of them have the same type of technologies, both have rails shaped and made for somebody different, right? One more forgiving for the game improvement guy or gal, and the other one made more for tour for the people who are looking to control their ball flights.
And of course, there are those players that may be game improvement type players, and yet because of the way they swing, the pro model still may fit them best, so it's always important to get fit so you get the right fairway medal.
Absolutely. Don't worry about the naming of the product lines. Don't worry about lofts. Fit yourself for the trajectory model that you need. If you need more loft, you need to hit it up in the air. They both have adjustable loft. They both have MyFly, so they can go plus or minus 1.5 degrees. You need to fit yourself and try both and figure out which one best suits your game. That's the most important thing.
All right, Jose, if people want more information about everything from COBRA, including the new fairway medals, where do they go?
COBRAGolf.com. Great place to start. You'll learn a lot about our products there.
All right, Jose, thanks as always for the time.
Thanks, Ralph.
I want to thank Jose Miraflor for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.